Well, many of us haven't taken the time to do estate planning, so I took some time to talk to Mark Falter from Mid-American Wealth Advisory Group to get some insight on what you need to know to help you with that planning. We're joined this morning with Mark Falter from Mid-American Wealth Advisory. We're talking about a very important topic this morning, Mark. I just had friends who lost a loved one. There was no plan in place. Let's talk through the importance of estate planning.
Estate planning is very important. It's a lot like life insurance. You know, it's really not for you, it's for your loved ones. Helps them transition through the loss much easier, helps them not to have to second guess what the best decision was because you already made the decision when you were healthy and alive.
Now, I've heard a lot about probate. I kind of have an idea what it is, and it sounds like something I want to completely avoid, especially I don't want my loved ones to go through. Talk a little bit about that and how we can avoid it.
Probate is a public process. To define it simply, it's just basically whenever you don't leave specific beneficiary designations, the state has to come in and do it, and they will do it, and it's a lengthy process, costly process, one you want to try to avoid. Certain types of estate plans can help avoid that.
And I know people have talked about using trusts and wills. They put houses in trust, they put cars in trusts. Is that something we can do as well with our estate plan? Is contain that within a trust?
Oh, certainly, yes. And you know, the different types of trusts, lots of different types of trusts, but one common denominator in every one of them. It helps avoid probate, but you got to make sure and fund it. I often tell people in the workshops that I do that Michael Jackson's $650 million estate never funded his trust. So it can be missed by Michael Jackson. It can certainly be missed by you.
Well, again, you mentioned missing probate. Obviously, that's a component of good estate planning. What are some of the other components we should be thinking about when putting together our estate plan?
Well, you want to have a clear dispensation of beneficiaries, where things go. You know, you want to name your executor. You want to, obviously, you're going to be the grantor. There's a lot of definitions in it, but a lot of that stuff and many more are described in this brochure right here that you can go to bettermoneykc.com and get it, and it will help you out and walk you through the process.
Well, to get connected with Mid-American Wealth Advisory, go to bettermoneykc.com or you can call 844-777-MARK.